Okay, so I found some really interesting articles and I want to share these resources maybe in my citations or my bibliography list, my reference list. Um, and in order for my classmates or professor to get a direct link to that article, I'm going to need what's called a permalink. So, in order to get a permalink, what we're going to need to do is click on these three dots over here. And then there's this linking icon and permalink. You're going to go ahead and click that. And here is the URL that you would need to provide them in order to get back to this article. If you want to, in other words, if you click on this and then copy this link up here, it's not going to be the same as if you click the permalink. This is what you actually want. So you would go ahead and copy and paste this into your citation list.